Well, guys, we're going to go ahead and jump straight on into some Ethereum, and we are going to do some TA on it because I know you guys are big holders of Ethereum. I love Ethereum. Big fan of the project. Always have been. I've held Ethereum for over 4 years. I do, however, believe that it has some stiff competition, and if it doesn't manage to see some relatively rapid development coming out with ETH 2.0 and everything that it needs to do to increase its transactional throughput, then it is going to be very difficult for Ethereum to maintain its hegemony. I'm not saying that it's going to get flipped by a Cardano or an Avalanche or a Solana or anything, but I am saying that it could start bleeding more market capitalization away from itself into those projects if those projects continue to dominate the way that they are right now. They're nipping on the heels of ETH. Now, as far as ETH's price action is concerned, however, we can see that Ethereum is currently sitting between a zone of $3,060 and $3,400. I keep wanting to say 30 instead of 3 because I'm used to talking about Bitcoin and then it changes over. What can Ethereum just go to $30,000 already so that I don't have to trip up? Wouldn't that be nice? I would love Ethereum to go to $30,000. We would, you know what we would do if Ethereum went to $30,000? It's going to. It's a
happy dance for sure.
A happy dance, yeah. No, it'd be a great time. If Ethereum goes to $30,000 in the next year, I will do a happy dance. It's going to be great. No, but Ethereum right now is currently sitting between these two zones. We have a zone of support in between $2,925 and $3,060. Then we also have a zone of resistance between $3,400 and $3,600. Those zones are outlined in yesterday's live stream, but we basically get those from this price action back over here and then back over here. We very much want to see Ethereum go through and do some certain confirmations that we've talked about on Bitcoin as well. Very similar story over here to Ethereum, so I'm going to run through it relatively quickly. We want to see a bullish Lux Algo buy flash come into play and be in effect for 7 to 10 days. It's been in effect for 7 days. I want to see Ethereum be above $3,400 for 7 to 10 days, to be honest with you. It's not even up there yet, so that one has not taken place just yet. And then I also want to see out on the 3-daily chart, just like I said on Bitcoin, 7 to 10 days of bullish MACD and then 7 to 10 days of RSI being above its 14 interval moving average. And frankly, I would also like to see a confirmed Lux Algo buy signal out here on the 3-daily chart. That has not occurred yet, and it's going to take some time before it does. We're going to need to see Ethereum go up to at least $3,500 before Lux Algo would flash a buy signal. But just looking at it historically, whenever Lux Algo does flash a buy signal on the 3-daily chart for Ethereum, you can tell that it means a lot. Every time we saw a buy signal in the last 2 years, more than 2 years, it has led to a major rally. In fact, going back all the way throughout Ethereum's history, to be honest with you, we saw a buy signal back over here in December of 2018. Phenomenal program. You can see 300% right there. We can see 130% right there. We can see 238% right there. We can see this buy signal over here gave us a 1,000% rally. Right here, we saw Ethereum rallied 78%. Right here, we saw Ethereum rallied 40%. So Lux Algo giving us a buy signal on the 3-daily chart has a literal perfect track record of multiple double-digit bullishness. And that goes back over 3 years. So if we do see that occur out here on the 3-daily chart, that's going to be a very, very big deal. And I do think we're going to see that. We're going to be keeping an eye on that for you as well. There's another thing I want to show you on the 3-daily chart, and that has to do with, there's another thing I want to show you on the weekly chart that has to do with our uptrending level of support. I'm pulling a SME. I hit my mic. I'm sorry. I finally did it. I hit my mic just like SME. We have an uptrending level of support here on the weekly chart. We have downtrending support here on the weekly chart MACD and the weekly chart RSI. That gives us bullish MACD and bullish RSI divergence on weekly. That is a phenomenally bullish long-term signal. So that's what I'm seeing on Ethereum right now. I want to just wait a little bit, a few more days, get some more confirmation. I'm waiting for some more signals to come into play. But Ethereum looks like it's in a pretty solid position right now. I would say it's about a week behind where Bitcoin is. So wherever Bitcoin is, I would say that Ethereum is just a little bit behind that, and then after we see Bitcoin start to breach things like 44, 45, 46, then we will see Ethereum do the same. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, you should definitely consider subscribing because we're trying to help you become financially free in these cryptocurrency markets. And also, consider following us on Twitter @CryptoJeb for more updates on the price of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Peace.